Independent candidate Alison Abonmai, contesting from Outer Manipur parliamentary constituency, vowed to take initiative to go to parliament and restore the degrading bond of brotherhood between different communities residing in the state. The candidate stated this during his flag hoisting ceremony held today at Matai Giving Tree Resort at Luang Sangbam in Imphal East District. Social activist Mohammad Latif Stephen Diswang, former candidate of Wangjing Tenta Dr. S. Ibo Chaubi, among others, attended the event. Abonmai asserted that the prevailing situation in Manipur is due to degrading trust and lack of mutual understanding between different communities. Abonmai said to restore peace and coexist peacefully, all the communities should work in unison to revive the diminishing bond. He further said that even as Manipur is blessed with natural beauties, many of its people are constrained to move around freely in their own land. He called on people to rekindle the bond of brotherhood by shedding differences and uphold the spirit of one Manipur.
If God is for us, who can be against us? Nungsiba Maria aduna, Jatmina raga, Akoi Awan Manipur Puraklaga, love, peace and harmony aduna, Loina raga, Akoi Awan Manipur, Maman Leba, Matik Magun Leba, State Coherency FCID, slogan me, aduna, Akoi free and fair elections, Tausi, I say, I request me.